Well, good morning, everybody. Okay, it's really nice to be here, and it's an honor to be among all these marketeers, people from agencies, from media agencies, from advertising agencies, and also from the client side. Just taking a look at, what happened yesterday, in all these revealing moments and enlightening moments where everybody's sharing so much of what's going on in this new world, of media. It is just, I think, phenomenal to be able to be here and continue to share it in this day, and also to be able to get to know many of you, during the networking moments that we're having. So basically, in Visa, we have been looking at this world, and I just want to apologize, for my voice. I wish I could tell you it was like karaoke night, but it wasn't. So, just bear with me a little while, and I promise you I'm going to be, sharing with you things that are going to be useful for us, are being useful, and I hope you find them useful as well. So what we're saying, every time we have a meeting, it's almost like, we are encountering a new world in front of us, and we're talking about, welcoming ourselves to this new world, of marketing, where everything that we used to know and we used to do before is changing every single day. And media is getting fragmented by the minute. And things like economies of scale in media are also changing significantly. And before they used to be an advantage, and we don't know anymore. Sometimes now looking at media from a, cost per thousand standpoint may not be the most efficient way anymore. So, we are at a moment also where, we are in front of all these technological options. And I think that as marketeers, as consumers, as merchants, we never had so many options in front of us. And it's really, it's really confusing. But at the same time, it is also very important that we really try to make choices. And now we have to live with the blessing and the curse, right, of making choices. And it's everyone. It's the consumer, it's us, because just like we have limited time, also the consumer is making choices of where to focus and what to do with their time. So it's all about choices, and it's also a lot about, in us we trust type of era. So it is. Consumers are really, relying a lot more on recommendations. And also, on our side, there's so many metrics out there that, at some point in time, we need to come together and say, what is it that we're going to trust? What is it that we're going to do? So depending on who you talk to, people are talking about probably the most confusing moments, for a marketeer. But at the same time, it's basically the most wonderful opportunity to redefine a new world of communications with the consumer. So we're talking about this new world where, the big communications to big audiences, the way we used to know them before, are no longer really the only answer. And it is, as we take a look at our different brands within the Visa brand, it is a lot easier to be able to do marketing for one of our smaller products that really has, a niche type of target consumer, because we know then, that it's easy to reach them via this digital, or this site or this solution. Whereas when we are talking about, a big brand and a big solution that has multiple targets, then it really starts becoming really, really complex. And we're learning that it's more difficult to market here and to really do, marketing for our, Visa brand as a huge brand than it is for smaller products that have to do like a small business, Visa for small business, or, Visa prepaid. Those are products that we can really, really target. So, what is it that Visa has done, in this whole in the face of this new world? We're talking now, we have instituted a concept which is called audience first. And what we're trying to do with this audience first is precisely what you see in the screen, is understanding consumer behavior and media consumption patterns along the path of transactions as the strategic foundation for all our marketing. And this is really key because what we're seeing is that just instead of looking at the consumer from a static standpoint, we're trying to understand much more. What is the path to transaction? And most importantly, what is it that we're going to do about it? So it means that we really start our efforts with a narrow definition of the consumer audience. And basically, we add analysis to that, and what we do also is we try to understand what is the role of media, in that path to transaction. And then, basically, we create the plans to be able to address, those opportunities that we have. So, let me show you a little bit more of what we're talking about in terms of audience-first approach. The first of all, we're saying, so let's get to know the consumer, and we know that's a fundamental in marketing. But, the thing here, the new twist is basically, what is the path to transaction? How does consumers think about this? In some previous times, we were talking about the consumer and the shopper, which in the end, in many cases were the same, in other cases were not. But now we're saying, it doesn't matter who it is. What is that path? What is that path to transaction? And then, what are the most influential places to connect to the consumer? What are those influential media to be able to connect with the consumer? So it may be that at certain points in time, we may be more open as a consumer to internet, or it may be that in some other times we want to be more open to, billboards or, other things, or radio. So we really have to identify, and then within that, is that media and is that message really, doing what it has to do for that consumer in that particular moment to really generate the transaction. So we really also have to looking at the media standpoint from 3 different angles, which is basically the paid media, the earned media, and the owned media model. And we're going to see a little bit more about that. We also have to engage consumers by adding value to every experience, recognize and sharing that is the new currency in social, and live and die by the numbers. This is really, really important in a moment where every single dollar that we put in our marketing mix has to have a rate of return, has to have a level of accountability like we have never seen before. And with all these new metrics and all these new things, it's challenging for everybody.